favorite part about coming back home, literally my granny era.
Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel, I believe that we in paradise.
Why are you looking at me, looking in your eyes? Hey everybody, we're in the middle of nowhere, guess. It's giving lost. Guys, so we are at the river, right? And I had an idea of how to shoot a video here. Now I forgot what I wanted to do, so it's giving Zimbabwe. No, it's not giving, it's giving something. But anyway, we'll keep on trying until we get it. Guys, the small Abigail wants me to show you guys the wall from there and going to the bridge. I get a small Abigail.
Yes.
The one thing I don't like about being a creator sometimes is that your ideas never come to life sometimes. And you have to accept that your ideas don't come to life and move on with your life. That's rhymy. It's giving rappy. But yeah, it's too windy, but my idea is not coming to life. Like, it's not doing what I wanted it to do. But I'll keep trying. We're walking to the bridge, and when we get there, I'm gonna have like my final little idea piece. And if it doesn't work out as well, it is what it is.
Hi.
It is what it is. You know what's going on with the top anyway, so yeah. Bye guys.
I'm the winner!
Amalobola wami sana.
Yes, we wanted that sound. Yes?
So guys, my little Abigail and I tried. We're from the bridge. My little Abigail and I tried. The bridge is the ghetto. So right now we're on our way home. We're going home. Bye. Bye. Don't show your face.
Bye.
Good morning guys. Still windy, but I woke up this morning because we're going to church. Well, I'm on my way to church right now. Sana saying Katsele already, but I'm excited. There's nothing that gets me excited as going to church. But my mother is somewhere there. She left earlier than me, but I'm still gonna catch up with her. She's literally not far from me. Like, she's like two steps away, but you guys can't see her. But yeah, bye.
Helero, Babale, Mole, Pasi, Gloria, Gloria, in excelsis.
Ana morena, tipago, yang swanela, tipago, yang swanela. I don't know what this dog's name is, but look at it. I'm also disappointed because I don't understand why. Guys, I keep forgetting that I wanted to vlog for you guys today, but there's Boah. I was just with him right now. But anyway. Hey guys, today is the 26th of September. I have nothing to say, honestly. I'm not okay, but I'm alive. And my hair is so grown, bazelwani. All I have to do now is plait my hair. Also, my nails are long as well. I haven't bitten my nails ever since I removed them. Yeah, I have nothing else to say, honestly. Besides, I'm still alive. Bye. Also, can we take a moment and talk about my periods? I haven't received my periods since this month only. Why am I acting so weird? But yeah, I haven't had my period. Am I pregnant? I don't know, I'm just bored. There's no lighting, by the way. Shadow side. Do you guys see me? Or do you not? I'm just bored, Sana. That's it. Bye. Also, I was supposed to wake up very early this morning. I woke up early. I woke up at like 5. I was supposed to wake up at 6:30 because I wanted to fix my routine and like get back to doing school stuff. So I woke up at like 5, and then I slept at 10 yesterday, and then I woke up at 5. But I just decided to stay in bed and sleep again, and then I woke up at like 9, 8, and then yeah. But I'm trying to wake up at 5 so that I could fix my routine because I'm going back to school, and school opened yesterday, and I'm only gonna go back to school tomorrow. Yeah, I feel like I'm sitting in an awkward angle and there's no like lighting where I am, or it's just my phone. Also, do you see my phone right there by the window? And you see that small house? That's my house, Sam. That's where I live. I'm joking, Sam. I'm joking. But yeah, if you need accommodation, I'm joking again. You, Sam. Or maybe I should just open a shop right there, you know? Maybe I should turn that room into like a store or something. Yeah, that would actually work. That's what I was thinking, but we made it a storeroom. But I'm just thinking, like, imagine if we opened that house and made it like no, Sam. Back then, when the house was not like fully made, we used to, when we first moved here, like, yo, Sana, we come a long way. We used to use that as our bathroom because the house that we live in now, like the one that I'm in front of, we didn't have like a bathroom and the toilet in here. We only had the outside toilet and no bathroom. It just rooms and living room and kitchen, right? And then into our bathroom. So my cousin and I, or my sister and I, used to remove, like, there was no roof, there was no windows, there was no door. It was basically just a little room. It was not even plastered yet. So we used to go back there. We put like do you guys know skotlele sa TV, like the metal kind of big bowl? Yeah, it's almost a Zuru. I don't know if I'll find a picture, but yeah, we used to use that. And then but Sana, you know, when I think about how our lives used to be like in this household, like I sometimes get emotional looking around. I'm like, bro, we've been through a lot, and I know that I sort of feel where I would want us to be, but like we come a long way, and that's why sometimes I'm not even embarrassed to show people where I live anymore. Well, I've never been embarrassed of showing people where I live, or I've never been embarrassed of anything. I've never really been embarrassed of my lifestyle. It's just that people are too judgmental out there, and sometimes you just have to protect your own little piece in your world. But yeah, we come a long ways down. Now I look dark. I think the lighting is just leaving me now. So okay, that looks better. But now it makes the walls look more like yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's it, guys. It's 4 minutes now. This is a long video. Bye, Sana. I'm just bored sitting here doing nothing and waiting for life to unfold. Yeah. Also, guys, I hate making people feel sad. Like, if I ever hurt people, I believe I do it unintentionally. And if people get hurt because of my actions, I beat myself up to it. Like, I can't live knowing that I've hurt someone like that. It really hurts. I'm not gonna lie. It's not nice. It's not a nice feeling to know that you've hurt someone. And the thing with me is, I've learned to take accountability of my actions, especially when like my old friendships ended. I used to sit and think like maybe I'm the victim, and then one day I was like, you're not the victim. Like sometimes you also probably did something wrong to people, and so I started like assessing the things that I do or say to people, and then I started feeling so bad every time I feel like I'm doing something wrong. I apologize. But someone once told me, like, Precious, you apologize a lot. That's not okay. Like, you're always apologizing. And then I realized that, right? But still, I just always want to take accountability of everything that I do or say to people. So I don't like hurting people. And it hurts me. Like, it brings me so down when people think I've hurt them intentionally. Anyway, this is for everybody that said my hair was too short. I just did a whole knotless braid on my own hair. So
No, I don't feel the ground. But I don't feel it right. I tell you what it's all about. Does it make you feel this way? It's kinda like I'm a tell you this one time. Why don't you just be mine? Can I lay with you outside? Can I put you this with mine? 'Cause I need you. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. Make me feel like I need to be here back. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I don't feel it right. I tell you what it's all about. I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel like I need to be in paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I don't feel it right. I tell you what it's all about. 'Cause it make me feel this way. And it's kinda like
ignore the fact that there are kids at the back. Oh my god. Okay. Lord Jesus. Okay. I'm editing a video right now and I'm experiencing the most excruciating pains in my abdomen. And I'm only realizing now that as I grow older, I'm starting to get period pains. What the hell, Sana? You guys have been experiencing this all your lives, and I'm only starting to experience this at 23. I hate it. I don't want to lie. I don't want to be a woman anymore. I'm done. Tired. La lela. La lela. If this is what the girlies go through every single month, every day, angifuni. Cha cha cha, ngifuna ukuba umfazi manje. As in, thathani. I nearly said you. Thathani le khekhe nihambe ngayo because angifuni ukuba umfazi mina manje. Ngifuna ukuba indoda. Ngifuna ube nepipi. Askisi ukusho kanjalo kodwa ngifuna ube nepipi. Ngifuna ube indoda. Angifuni ube umfazi manje because what the hell are these pains? Do you guys experience this every month? Damn, that's hectic, son. I feel for you. Hey guys, the quality of this video is bad because it's at night. There's no light in this room. I'm literally lighting my face with my laptop in front of me. But I just want to say bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. This is an outro for the video that ends on the 27th of September. Tomorrow is the 28th and I'm starting a new one. So bye guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, whatever, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are new to my channel, hey my love, welcome to the Tsala community, I guess. So yeah, bye guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying Victoria so far. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow.